But Prongen stands for Provider of Innovative Environmental Technologies. Our company has been trying to transfer some innovative technologies, but in the meantime, we also try to invent some technologies and try to transfer back to the Europe, and this is one of them. And this is all about the climate crisis. You know that the global warming is based on the production of too much carbon dioxide. It has been accumulating in the atmosphere, and right now we are over 450. So it's 429, but the target, the critical point is 450. That's the point that there's not going to be a turning point, that the science says that way. So, but we believe, we have a reason to believe that we can turn this crisis into opportunity by producing RNG, that's another renewable energy actually, by using the carbon dioxide. Yes, please. And the picture tells itself actually. You know, we initially intended this technology to the biogas sectors because, you know, only in Germany, there are over 10,000 biogas plants, and the sector is really saturated. We try to provide them a new business model for the existing biogas plants to increase, actually double the biogas production by this technology. You see that the picture on the right-hand side is a biomethanization reactor in which you have the carbon dioxide and hydrogen, the green hydrogen from the electrolyzer, catalyzed by the bacteria, that's the archaea organism actually. In several hours, we're able to stick carbon dioxide into hydrogen and carbon dioxide stick together, and at the end you have the methane over 85% in richness. So we can also go up to 95%. You can also consider this technology as a purifying technology, because otherwise you have to use a lot of physical chemical processes to purify this methane. But in that manner, we have double outcome. We both purify and produce more energy out of carbon dioxide, which is normally a waste material. But of course, you are bounded with the hydrogen production. You need to have a very efficient hydrogen production, the cheaper hydrogen production technologies here. Could we go down, please? So that's a simple biochemistry that the microorganisms does it very efficiently. We increase the gas solubility because our main substrate is the CO2 and the hydrogen. These are all gases. We need to dissolve them in the water so that they are available for the bacteria. Then the process takes itself automatically. And at least 85% gas richness in the end of production. As I told you, we can go over 95 if you like to change some other operational conditions. So we are offering this technology not only for the biogas sector, for also carbon-intensive sectors like steel, iron and steel factories, cement factories, fertilizer factories, which are the target factors in the Green Deal. You know, we have main 6 sectors, which they need to be decarbonize their emissions. So they can also, while they're decarbonizing their emissions, they can also produce more energy out of carbon dioxide together with the, again, renewable hydrogen, either in the form of electrolyzer or syngas. And we have finished all these R&D phases at a lab scale, maybe a small pilot scale studies so far, and we exploited some national and international funds so far, but now we've been searching some professional partners who can help us to convey this technology into the Europe so that we can have some demonstrations projects together. All right, this is our company. Again, we're located at Ege University under the Ege Technopark roof. If you have any further questions, I will be very happy to answer this.